Okay, the 1996 Janitrol package heat pump I recently have put a video of it up is running in heat mode. Like I said in the video, I'd have a video of it running, promised, and I'm on my way down to my mailbox to get the Monday paper, and I just happened to hear it running and thought, what the heck, while I'm on my way down here, make a quick video. I'll shut up now and let you listen to it. It makes a rattling noise. And it has no condensate drain. Right there's where the condensate goes. Look where it is. It's not sitting on a pad, it's sitting on cinder blocks. Get down low. See there, it's sitting on bricks. And the electrical is kind of screwed up. I'd hate to see what the thermostat wire is. It has a White Rogers mercury bulb thermostat. Ew. And imagine it's in heat mode because it's like 2 degrees out. DirecTV. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.